come open your door. What is up, everybody? This is day 2, we're back. You know, another beautiful day installing Brandon's Airlift. You got Brandon right here.
What's up?
Brandon is running into the same issue I ran into, where his front wheels don't clear the bags. It's kind of dark, but you can't see it, but the bag's right there, and when you put the front wheel on, the inside of the wheel does not clear the bag, it touches the bag. So he might have to run spacers.
Or a new wheel.
Or a new wheel. So my front tires don't actually clear my front bags when I put them on, so I have a 10mm spacer on, and when I put them on, the existing studs don't actually go out far enough for my my lugs to go on, so I had to buy extended studs, and then so I got those on. So what you have to do is, I'll link the video down below, the video that I followed for instructions. So basically what you have to do is you have to take off your brake caliper, the brake disc, and the OEM studs, and you gotta knock them out with a hammer. I just used a hammer to knock them out. It took a long time, a lot of elbow grease, but pretty much you knock those out and you put in the extended ones, and then you're good to go. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. So it looks like that right now. I have the 10mm spacer on, and then these are the extended studs I was talking about. So you have to take this off, you have to take this off, and you have to like you have to take off the brake line before you take those off, so you don't like pull the brake line or something like that. But I'll link the video down below showing you how I did it. And I've already gone ahead and adjusted the rear collar, the Airlift collar, so that when I air out, it sits perfectly and it doesn't rub against my fender. But now what I have to do is I have to do the fronts, and I have to also adjust my sway bar end links to make sure that that is correct as well. So today I'm hoping to get the rear lines wired up and the front lines put in. I already sort of managed to put the front lines through the door sills. But I still need to do the rear lines. You have to go from underneath the car, and up. See, I pretty much almost have a fender to lip fitment. If you run stretch tires, you could probably get that. And I could probably get that if I run like 35s instead of 40s. And these are pretty thick tires. And the fronts, I can't really do anything about it, because they got that. I don't know if you guys can see me, but
I'm trying to think about some quick releases.
Oh, V. That's what I said. I told you, it sounded like a V8. Smog he looks. I thought he was gonna bring his G.
Oh.
A bro.
I mean, his G had like a rubbing whatever on his.
You can't stop there. You can't start a sentence and not finish it. Are you not gonna finish it? This guy. This man Robbie has a nice classic Fox body Mustang. Let's go take a look.
Are you aired out right now?
Yeah.
It's not even low.
Yes, it is.
My car's lower than that. What the f do you mean?
That's true. It's my front fenders won't let it go any lower.
Okay, the back is f***ing low.
Yeah, my front fenders hitting.
What the hell?
Bro! Alright, so we just fitted up the fuse right there. That's gonna go to the power on your battery, and that's gonna go to the ground. So we used heat shrink and electrical tape to secure everything, and we got the fuse tap in here. What you want to do is you want it to go, I put it right there. That's sort of the washer. It's the washer one right here, the 10-amp washer one. So we got 2 boys back here. Ooh, marking everything up for the manifold and the tank. What are you trying to do?
We're trying to like get this and then maybe point
mark it in here, right?
Yeah, mark it.
That's what I said.
That's what we're trying to do. But
it's a little dark in here, but we got all the air lines mounted from the trunk all the way up. Brandon's gonna run his tank back here just like me, and the manifold's sort of right there in front of the tank. The only difference is Brandon's gonna run his compressor on top instead of on the bottom. So that means we're gonna have to have our compressor wires come up and connect those together. We're gonna connect those 2 together. I have his remote right now just sitting right here, but he can move it wherever he wants. either up there or wherever you want. I don't know where you want to put it. Right, Brandon?
Yeah.
Great. All right, so like I said before, we got the tank and the manifold mounted just like how I have mine mounted. Brandon has this nice wood on the bottom. What he's gonna do now is he has to drill the compressor into those pieces of wood. So Brandon's actually rocking the isolator kit, which I don't have, but it's fine. Mine's in the spare trunk. Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna have to mount the tank, and the manifold's mounted, but the tank isn't, so we have to do that. So let's go do that. All right, guys. So we're just about ready to wire everything up. We got the negative here. I'm gonna put this right there, and then we have the positive right here. I'm gonna put the positive where the positive goes, and then hopefully she works. And if we did everything correctly, it'll air up on all 4 sides, and the management will say, well, the management will turn on. That's just about it.
Yeah, go. Well, you're fine.
It needs to be the other way. I'm stupid.
Well.
What do you mean?
What? I heard something.
What the f does that mean?
Yeah, what does that mean?
Because you put it back on. It's fine.
Oh.
All right, Brandon, keys.
Should I turn on the car?
Yes.
Everybody be watching. I'll watch up here. Turn on the car all the way.
No. Just prime the car.
Yeah, just go on accessory.
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. What the f? Who freaking did that? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Nice. The controller's on.
Controller's on? Yeah. Dude, best case, man. Your bag.
Show me how to do it.
Okay, so we're in manual mode right now.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in like 50 psi. Okay. Guys, check the bags. It should be filling up. Feel it. Get to the menu, you click the airlift button and the top one or the bottom button. So for example, that's how you get to the menu. And then you can see calibration. So you're gonna have to go through that when you get your wheels, when you get the spacers, everything like that. When your car is on the ground, calibrate it. Okay, and make sure everything clears. So you have to adjust the collars and everything like that. So because when it calibrates, it goes air out and then it airs up. So make sure it doesn't like smash your fenders. Other than that, got it. Bag now, man. Bag.
Thank you.
Let's get some food.
Yeah, I'm hungry. So we just install bags.
Thank you.
I'm taking a piss and warming up my car.
One eternity later.
Your is so damn loud compared to mine.
Yeah, because I got 3/8 line.
Holy shit.
Video. I'm here at Brandon's house. He's got lower control arms put in and the car's on the ground. So we're gonna go take a look at that right now.
No, after I get my new tires on,
You'd be lower.
yeah, I'm gonna go even lower.
You're gonna sit
On the ground.
on the
Yeah,
ground.
that's fine.
Yeah, you're.
I'm actually gonna zero out everything.
Wow.
The back, you might not be able to zero them. You can switch off.
Shit. Dude, get a side skirt and get a.
No, no.
Diffuser.
I'm not, no.
You could rest on it, but you'd be like hit the exhaust that you bought.
Yeah,
Hole in the Wi-Fi.
I'm not gonna like.
Don't set your car.
Are you still touching the bag?
What?
Are you still touching the bag?
Yeah.
It's good. So Brandon's running white line, low control arms. It's kind of hard to see, but he's got white line stuff under there. So his car before the wheel had really bad camber, but now it's a lot better, and it tucks under. His front tire, he's having the same problem I had, where my tire rubbed against the bag. What Brandon's gonna do is he's gonna run skinnier tires to get that stretch look, and then run like a 5mm spacer instead of my 10mm spacer. But overall, it's looking real good. All right, so Luke's got this really like bad, stupid looking G over here. It's really ugly. Man, I don't know why he bought it. Honestly, the worst purchase ever. I'm just kidding. Damn, you got them TEs up in this joint. Looking good.
Peep the student driver sticker in the back.
Okay, I like that. I like that a lot.
Oh, it's not even a sticker. It's a magnet.
I was rolling up and I saw that.
Yeah, my friend gave it to me.
Dude, that's good though. Got this bumper.
Yeah, the bumper's on, held on by zip ties. Cause
Zip ties.
damn, my bumper is getting melted. Who gives a
From exhaust, right? Yeah.
Juku racing. So, what's been done?
basic maintenance. I just bought slotted and drilled rotors. Got to get that installed. You know, bleeping me out. That's why I can't be in YouTube. Like when Jack's filming, like he just stays away from me.
Cause you swear so much.
Yeah. No, the headlights work. Yeah. Oh, you got the tail light.
He's got harnesses in here. He's got the hydro e-brake, aftermarket steering wheel, roll cage, looking good. It's like proper drift spec. It's looking good though. Sounds good. It's really loud though.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.